Hey friends, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any uploads. Okay, let's start. So before we start with this fun look, I need to remove my makeup, and I will do that with a makeup removal lotion wipe. That's a whole mouthful. Then I'm going to pop in my lenses, and I'm going to wear this sexy wig cap to hide my hair. So here we are, clean skin, lenses in, and the wig cap is on, so we're ready to go. So this time I'm going to use some silicone prosthetics. Eyes, many eyes. Ta-da! And you can apply it with some Prosade or Van Nuys mastics. You can use a Q-tip or a sponge to put the glue onto your skin, but first you need to clean your skin some extra so the Prosade will stick even better. If I can open the bottle. And then I forgot to pop my camera back on after I had a struggle with my with my bottle. Didn't want to open, so I use the Prosade. Then I take a little, I don't know what you micro precision tool, and then I apply a thin layer of Prosade around the edges of the prosthetic to hide them basically. Then I lay down a thin layer of Prosade on my cheek, wait till it dries clear, and then I pop on the next prosthetic. Just try to apply it crease free, and then I take some 100% acetone and a Q-tip and remove the edge, or melt the edge down, throw it in the bin. You got something like this. Many eyes, I can see you. So I repeat the same procedure on my chest area. Thin layer of Prosade. Let it dry clear, and then carefully place the prosthetic on my shoulder. It's very hard to do it on yourself, but we'll manage. So I will melt the edges with the 100% acetone. And I got something in my eye. Come on. Yes. So after I sealed all the edges with the Prosade, I'm gonna dust them down with a nice thin layer of the setting powder of Meron, and I use a big fluffy brush to do so. It's really weird to see all those eyes. Then I am going to take a primer and prime my face and chest area, and then I take my foundation, my favorite foundation, and my beauty sponge, and I used the foundation one skin tone lighter than my real skin tone is. Just wanted to look a little bit more pale. So just blending it like there's no tomorrow. Around the eyes. Many eyes. So who's looking forward to Halloween? I know I am. Then I'm going to use my new brushes, my new makeup brushes. I had to show them. Okay, so then I set everything with the setting powder of Meron. And just tap it on my foundation so it's nice and set. Then I'm going to take my Dashbow Ultimate SFX palette, and I'm going to make the edges of the eyes a little bit irritated, and I use my Titanic stippling brush to do that. Just dilute it the red and the bruised red and applied it around the eyes, because it's not natural to have so many eyes. So around every single eye. It takes a while. So you get something like this, and then I start with my makeup part, and then of course I need to do my eyebrows, and I use a eyebrow pomade for that. And then I'm going to create a dark smoky eyes with using blacks and grays and just blending it till I'm happy with it, and it takes a while. So that's why it's fast forwarding, just smudging it. Start off with the gray and then I do the black, so both eyes are getting there. Then I take my mascara and some false lashes, and of course I will do that off camera because I'm not really good at it. So you see me struggling here. I use a little bit too much glue. I used Prostate this time. Don't worry, I didn't poke my eyes out. I love these lashes, they're so cute. And then I wanted to have a nice porcelain shimmering look, so I use a highlighter and I apply it all over my face and over my chest. And then of course I need to do my lips, and I use a lip palette for that and a lip brush, and I use a nice really reddish pinkish lipstick to make it more glamorous. And then I use some glycerin to make the eyes appear wet. It's not picking up on camera that well, but in real life it looks like it's wet. And then of course I take my nice front lace wig and pop it onto my head. Had a bit of trouble with that. And then I use a little bit of the mastics or spirit gum from Ben to glue the wig down. And again, I have trouble with opening the little bottle. So apply the mastics, tap it till it's tacky, and then I press my wig on. I love front lace wigs. They look so much more natural than regular wigs. So I got something like this, and of course I need to put a little headpiece on to make it really fancy. Remove the hair from my face, and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Same place, different video. Bye!